Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create an article submission and the guest blogging kind of a backlink. So the website name is articlevibe.com. So this is a website dashboard, and before the started we can explore the website internal features. So suppose that you can see this is a featured blogs. Whatever that means, this is a recently published blog, and you can see the engagement 150 1527 is interaction on this blog. So you can see if you guys can publish any article, any another things, so your backlink it should be and your article going to index on this Google server, and also you guys will get traffic, brand awareness, and the conversions, how strongly you have created your article content, or the how optimized you are publishing your content over this site. Okay, so now we can start. So you can see according to Moz, the domain authority is 54 and the spam score is only 1%, and according to similar web, this website having a 33 domain rating, and according to similar web, this website drawing 1.4k traffic, and mostly traffic from Pakistan, UK, and the Brazil. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building, brand awareness from that kind of country, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so now we can start. Okay, now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. So this is the website dashboard. So you can see there is top of the right corner there is a login button. You can click over there. And you guys can see there is a register button. You can click on the register button. I guess I have already created account over there. So there you guys can add your username, your email ID, then you guys can choose your password. So I have already created, so you guys can create your profile first, and after that you guys can click on login button. So let me verify it and click on login button. And you guys can see this is a website dashboard. After that, what you guys have to do, you guys can go on your profile section, and there you guys can fill your all details, and there you guys can add your website URL. So this is our website URL, and we can change the nickname DML training, and okay, and you guys can click to update your profile. So we have updated your profile. Then after that you guys can go on your post section, and there you guys can click on add new post. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And in this section there you guys can add your main title of this your blog. So right now I don't have a fresh article or blog, so I'm gonna to use my website content. This is a copied content, but your case you guys can generate a fresh content, not the copy content, because why I'm using this content, because of I don't have time, so that's why only for the reference basis, so you guys will understand how you guys will publish your content over there. Okay, so last I can add a brand name DML training. And the another thing guys, this is my website, so there I'm creating all the type of backlink, and whatever backlink I have listed over there, all the backlinks are verified. So if you guys can planning to create backlink and you guys will searching a quality backlink list, so you guys can explore these sites. So where I have added only a verified backlink, not the I can copy anywhere backlink and I can paste it over there. So if you wanting, so you guys can consider. Okay, and in the subtitle section where I can add my subtitles, and from there I can start a content. So this is content, so there I can add introduction, and I can convert it into heading 2, and after that I can paste it the content. And the next is what is profile linking. I can make it heading 2. I can convert it into heading 2, and after that what I can do, I can tell you guys, I can at same as time I can convert how to create profile backlink. I can convert this site, convert this content into original format. Sorry, we can generate a replica content for this. I'm not going to use a duplicate content over anywhere. So, and as well I can tell you guys what is the what kind of prompts I can going to use to optimize this content. And after that you guys can see this is the content, and what I can do, I can gonna do for the chat GPT, this is the content. I can provide you with article content, and you have to generate different version with optimized headings. And let me see what kind of content we receive. Version 1, boost your SEO with high quality backlink. Boost your backlink with high quality. Boost your SEO with high quality backlink. And this is a short version. Version 2, version 3. So they have provided many backlinks. So version 2, no, I can going to remove version 2. And this is a heading 4, so we can convert it into heading 2. And while the optimizing your content, you guys can very carefully optimize your headings, your internal links, and the images. Anywhere you guys are creating backlink, no matter, but you guys, some of the top profile creation sites, top profiles, and let me edit these things. And the next is free profile creation sites. I can add as well. So all the things we have added, the time is to we can get backlink from this article. So do follow off page SEO techniques, high quality, and the generate profiles, generate, do follow backlink. These profile generate, okay, profile generate, do follow backlinks. So on this keyword I can go to get backlink. From this keywords I can make it bold, so it is visible for users. Minimum 1000 words in this content, so we need to add more content. So what I can do, so we can add more content over there because they will asking, so we can add more content. Still is this under 1000 word, so what we can do, 151. So next is, actually right now I don't have a much more content, so that's why I'm doing this activity. But after this video I can going to delete this content, because this is not a ethic and a good method to we can create backlink only for to video creation, and you guys will understand to how you guys will create your backlink. Okay, category is digital marketing, SEO, and the tag is backlinks. We can add tags, minimum 3 tags. We have added total 3 tags, and then now the time is to we can add a featured image because these things are required. So from where I can, yeah, this is a featured image, verified profile creation sites list. And you guys can click on set a featured image. So minimum one internal link. How should we add internal links? So you guys can open this site into the next tab where you guys can search backlink, and the what is on page SEO, control F on page, website with on page SEO. So there we can add a internal link which are already published, any content related to the keyword in this site, on this site. So we have added one internal link between 1 to 2 external links in this content. SEO is good if you're facing. So after that what we can do, once you guys can optimize all the things, then you guys can click to the submit for review, and please complete the following task between 1 and 2 external link in the content. Okay, so we can add another external link, do follow backlinks. So let me add this. We have added these things, and let me check. Between 1 and 2 external link, between 1 and 2 external links in the content. Let me add any another website. What is backlinks? So let me add this, and we can check is this optimized between 1 and 2 external links. What is this? Between 1 and 2 external links in the content, featured image, readability, SEO is good. If you're facing any issue, you can think already completed. Following the task, we can complete these tasks, these things between 1 and 2 external links external links. We have added total 2 external links. So what we can do next? Okay, I guess maximum we can add a 1 or 2 external link, but we have added many backlinks over there. So that's why these things are happening with us. So you guys can see all the things we have added, and only 1 to 2 external links we can add in this content, not much more. And once you guys can complete all the things, you guys can click on submit button. SEO is good. What is missing? SEO is good. Is there anything missing? Focus keywords, okay. Profile backlinks. We have added these things. Profile creators. Profile. List. And there we can add a description of this article. So I can going to copy the description throughout my website. So we have added these things. SEO is still not good. How we can optimize these things here? Key phrase in SEO: title, profile creation, site list. So you guys can see we have added all the things, but still SEO is not good. So what we can do, the next practice. So the next thing is what we can do. So there is a key phrase in meta description is missing. So verified profile creation sites, profile creation, profile creation. Then you guys can see SEO is optimized. Now the time is, so you guys can submit for the review. So you can click on the submit for review button, and you can see your post. It should be going for the moderation team, and the post is submitted. And the preview post, you guys can click on preview post. Once if you guys can created a quality content, and you guys will optimize your content, then you guys can see your content, it should be going to publish on this site. So this is your preview content. I can show you. This is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created a very high quality do follow backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, you or your friends, so you guys can share this video on your friends, okay. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.